Erasmus users! In today's video, you'll learn how to schedule a session for your clients. First, you'll want to make sure that you're logged into your Erasmus account, and then you can use your drop-down menu to select which client you want to schedule a session for. So I'm going to select my client, David Rose, and now I'm on my client's homepage. Let's create a new session together and then use that session to create a schedule. So first, I'll click over here where it says Add All to Session. And now I'll select Create New Session. You'll notice at the bottom of the page, all 5 of those programs have been pulled into the session. I can make some changes here. So first, I can choose if there are any programs that I want to pin to the top of my data sheet simply by clicking the Thumb tab. Assuming protest behavior has been pinned. Next, we can also choose to remove programs. To remove a program from a session, you can click these 3 vertical dots. And now you'll see you have the ability to hide that program or remove it from the session. Now let's say we want all of these programs part of the session that we're creating. We're going to click Save Session, this blue button. Now we'll see a pop-up box. You'll notice 2 tabs. This one on the left says Session Settings, and to the right is Schedule. Before we schedule a session, let's name our session here. Daily session. You can also write a message to your therapist. Now we're ready to schedule a session. Let's click the tab on the right that says Schedule. You'll see you can create a new appointment. So first, you can make a selection based on which days you want this session to be scheduled for. So let's say we want it to happen on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Let's remember these 3 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Next, we'll choose the start and end time of this session. So this would be appropriate if you have a series of sessions that are occurring at the same time. So let's say we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and we know that all of the sessions on these days are from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. Next, we'll choose which staff we want to assign this session to. So we can come in here, and I will choose Ted Mullins to run this session on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. The next thing I'll be able to do is select the service type. So since Ted is a BT, perhaps he's running a 97153 direct intervention. All right, now I'll go ahead and press Save. And now we'll see we created our new daily session here at the top of our page. If I click on Appointments under David Rose, I can now see the scheduled sessions on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. between my staff, Ted Mullins, and client, David Rose. And that's how you schedule a session on Erasmus.